Let us learn how to bisect a given angle. Bisecting an angle means dividing the given angle into two exactly equal parts. Now suppose you have been given an angle, say angle AOB, and you have to bisect it. That is, divide it into two equal parts. How can you do that? Well, even if we do not know the measure of the angle, there is a general method to divide any given angle into two equal parts. Let us see how we can do that. First, with O as the center and any suitable radius, we draw an arc to meet the two arms of the angle, that is arm OB at C and the other arm OA at D. Take any suitable radius on the compass. Now this radius need not necessarily be equal to the radius of first step, but it should be more than half the length of the line segment CD. That is, the radius should be greater than CD by 2. Now, with C as the center and using the new radius, we draw an arc. Draw the arc in between the two arms of the angle and opposite to the side of point O with respect to CD. After drawing the arc from C without changing the radius, that is with the same radius and D as the center, draw another arc to meet the second arc at point E. Now join OE and extend it to form a ray. The ray OE is the required bisector of angle AOB. It bisects the given angle AOB into two equal parts. Now let us verify that. So using a protractor, we see that angle AOB is equal to 34 degree, angle EOB is equal to 17 degree, that is half of 34 degree, and angle AOE is also equal to 17 degree, which is also the half of 34 degree. So this is how you can bisect any given angle.
So we have a given angle A, and what we're going to do is place our compass point on point A, open up our compass arm large enough so that it will be able to intersect both sides of angle A, make an arc. And then what you're going to do is then label the two intersection points, B and C. Then take your compass, place the point on point B, and open up the arm of the compass over halfway between the two sides of your angle, make an arc. And then using that same radius, put compass point on C and go ahead and make another arc, which is congruent to the arc you had just made. The intersection of those two arcs will be a point on the angle bisector. So let's label that point D. Then taking your straight edge, place your straight edge such that you make a line that goes through points A and D. And there you have it. You have ray AD is the angle bisector of angle CAB.